This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add a background image in Microsoft PowerPoint. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. Okay, I have PowerPoint opened up now and I have a few slides here. To add a background image on a particular slide or all of your slides, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do, if you just want to add it on a particular slide, you want to select the slide in the pane on the left hand side. You want to select that slide. I'm going to add it on all of my slides, so it don't matter which one I have selected. I'm going to go back to my first one here. First thing you want to do is right click on your slide. Just right click on your slide. Then you want to go down to where it says Format Background and click on Format Background. Now in the pane that opens up on the right hand side here, under Fill, if your fill is not expanded, just click on Fill, and you want to click on Picture or Texture Fill. You want to toggle that one on, Picture or Texture Fill. Then you want to go down to where it says Insert and click on Insert. Now the dialog box that opens up here, it gives you a few options. You can use you could choose a file from your computer. You can choose stock images, online pictures, icons. My image is on my computer, so I'm going to select from a file. Then I'm going to choose my image. You have to find the image on your computer. I'm going to choose this one here. I'm going to click on it to select it. Then I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on Insert. And now the next step, you may want to reduce the transparency of your image. My image actually looks okay the way it is now, but you can move this slider next to transparency to reduce the transparency if you need. As you can see, if you go all the way down, the picture is gone. If I go halfway, it'll be, my picture looks fine as it is. You can do other things here. You could offset your image. I'm going to leave all that be. Then you want to go down to the bottom. If you want to apply this picture to all of your slides, which that's what I'm going to do, you want to click on Apply to All. Now as you can see, all of my slides have the background image on it. That is how you add a background image in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.